a short video. The renovations on my house are complete, and so now I'm just doing some decorating and putting things up and just rearranging, organizing, things like that. So right now I am working on a mirror I've had for several years, never put it on my wall, had it just laying against the wall. So I'm going to now repurpose it in my room. But it had gold in it. And I know right now that's the thing for decorating is gold, but I've been through the 70s. Well, I was young, but I went through the 70s and I'm just not into gold fixtures, maybe gold accents, but this is not really gold. It's more like a bronze. So I'm gonna spray paint it silver, and that way I can utilize it in my family room. I have begun to tape off around the mirror. This is the mirror, this is the frame. And as you can see, it's a golden bronze, not quite gold, it's more bronzy. So I have taped off the mirror part. Now I'm taping off the areas that is black, because I do want that to come out. I want this part to be silver. This is the area that I'm gonna put it up at over here. I love it. This is the most comfortable couch ever. It's from Joybird, not sponsored. I'm going to finish taping off around this mirror so I can paint it. Okay, everyone, so silly me, I forgot to show you me painting this outside. I went outside and I spray painted it and totally forgot to take the camera. So, but nonetheless, you're here for the reveal. Okay, everyone, not too shabby at all. This here, I'm going to use some acetone to get off the sticker. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more videos from Trina's Journey.